I will develop a fully functional responsive website for your business. If you need a new website or update the old one, I got you covered. I build a custom website to avoid unnecessary themes and plugins that can cause slowing down the website. I build easy and custom CMS for your website so you can easily manage your content from the back end. Let me give you an example. If you want to change or modify this footer area, it's totally customizable. Let's change the social icons. Go to Theme Options, click on Social Icons. You can easily add, remove or modify. Let's delete YouTube button from this section. Hit save and refresh. YouTube button is gone now. Let's add new social link. Click on Add New. Put a name. Choose an icon. Add URL. And hit save. Now it's added to your social area. Let's say you have a car listing website and you post car information on your website. In that case, I will create custom post. So let's add a new car. As you can see, it's a very clean interface with custom fields. Fill up the informations. And hit publish. Now you have a new custom post on your website. My services: WordPress and WooCommerce theme development and customization, converting any design into a functional WordPress theme, adding custom template or functionality to your current theme, fixing bugs, adding new features, functionality, redesign, WordPress website support and maintenance. Using my skills and experience that I have gained, I convert your design or idea into a functional web app. I am a developer myself and I do my own work. So, you can communicate directly with me and get quick responses to your questions. Hi, my name is Raju. And if you have any WordPress or WooCommerce related problems, contact me, and I'll do my best to solve them.